V4SAFETY is mainly a methodology and process project, and the aim of my work package 6, is to demonstrate that what the other work packages have developed actually works, and to illustrate that on a variety of chosen use cases. The ones actually doing the virtual simulation and demonstrating the validity of the V4SAFETY approach. We had the opportunity to have a glimpse on the care data and to devise a way to derive a realistic assessment prognostics. There are many unrealistic prognostics in the field today, and so we had the opportunity to derive a realistic process and to apply that, and this was really rewarding.
We have performed an extensive literature review and come quite far in documenting challenges and recommendations for different model types. We have also adapted models for use in the use cases used as examples in the project. I strongly believe that computation models of humans are crucial for both baseline generation and for considering human adaptations and responses to safety solutions. As an example, it is important to generate representative crashes across all levels of severity.
So I think one key learning from the project is that assessment, knowledge, and stakeholders can be quite diverse depending on how it's approached, where they come from, what's actually the background. So recommendations, what's basically one important output of the project, is quite important, and therefore it's quite important to find an adequate level of detail to approach different stakeholders to make it really useful and successful in the end. So we think that there's a strong need to have a method to assess how good a function really is or could really be in future. For example, prominent examples, thinking of ADAS functions of automated driving. So how good would it be in terms of road safety to have those functions? Based on literature review and expertise, we have collected data sources and methods, which we then analyzed and discussed to derive recommendations to model the baseline. To make sure that that's understandable and that it can really be used to generate a baseline is checked practically within work page 6 within the use cases.
We published the instruction for the safety assessment framework, and that is really the main result of the project, and that's what we're testing today. Also, we published a deliverable on data sources for baseline generation. And why is this so important? Actually, in any safety assessment, the selection of the data and the handling of the data is crucial.
So we are preparing all the theoretic material for the work in V4SAFETY, and we have now reached our first big milestone, and this is the instruction on the framework, which is now published as a deliverable, and we're very proud of that.
So about the stakeholders, you need to distinguish direct and indirect users. So the direct users are doing the assessment themselves, the safety assessment. So think of a safety specialist, a simulation engineer, a safety consultant. And the other indirect users are really using the outputs, the results of the assessment. So think of a policymaker or a product manager or your boss giving you the assignment to do this assessment. So that's an indirect user. And V4SAFETY wants to provide solutions for both of them. So this is a major stakeholder event, but there will be more events.